Got it.
Good shot.
You should see this kid hit a baseball, Brian.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
Right, eat it.
How long was he running behind us?
For a long time. He went all the way to the end.
Then he turned around when you didn't notice it.
Oh, his cheeks are all red. Hey, who's this little kid?
We didn't. When he first came up to us, he was running towards us, and I'm looking, thinking, "Is that Philip? Is that Philip?" And then I thought, "Who's Philip?" And Bill's dad didn't even recognize him. No.
Don't let the bush. Look.
Oh, he missed it. You show him how to do it. You do it. No, not that way. At the bush. Philip. What did we say?
So rebellious.
Darn it, I can't.
You will get mad. Yes. Now spank your bottom. Yes.
Yes.
How often are his games, boy?
Every Saturday.
Is there another one on our side of town?
I haven't, not yet. I haven't gotten the schedule yet.
How far into it already?
They're almost done.
Into the game or the season?
Into the game. And season. This is the third game of the season, and the game's almost over.